Hey everybody, Patrick Boyle here. I'm going to start using this time to give you guys as much information as I possibly can about your heating and cooling systems. Today we're going to talk about this puppy right here, the air scrubber. But first, full disclosure, this does not cure the situation we are in. I don't want anybody to think I'm saying that, and I just want to be as upfront as possible as I can about that. However, I think this is a terrific product to clean up the air in your house. And why I think it's a terrific product for that reason is because that'll make your heater and air conditioning's life expectancy longer. And I think that's a terrific idea. Now, the product itself does remove VOCs from the air. VOCs are volatile organic compounds. I'm going to put a link on this post to the EPA's website about what that is and why that's a good thing. So, this is a good product. If you have any questions, call us. Do your research, and after that, if you do have questions, call us. Like simple questions: how much is it? How long does it take to install? What are the warranties? What are the maintenance things? So we can answer that and fill you into. We also have I also have other subjects I'd like to bring up to you, but I figured this one today might be a good one. But like I said, it does not cure the situation we are in. I did just get our spring shipment in. If you saw our Facebook post from about 2 weeks ago, the entire staff had an updated training on the product and how to install it. So after that meeting, I ordered 10 of them. So 10 of them are sitting here right now. This one I am going to put in my parents' house. So with that being said, check it out. Any questions, call us. And with that, please, please, please have a safe and productive day. Thanks a lot.